Welcome back to another video by Camera Wargaming. Today I show you how to paint in GrimDark style another giant monster for the Skaven box set. In this video I show you some technique about painting in a GrimDark style. I'll say this. First of all, I apply a black primer and a white primer in zenithal mode, and after I start with painting with a skin tone. After it's dry, I use a oil wash. Magenta is a better way to create a particular effect in a skin tone for the Skaven. So in this case I apply another brown wash over the magenta color, and for the scar I apply a ochre color to create a particular shape in this monster. I remove the extra color with odorless thinner, and with a Q-tips is a perfect, because this is a big monster and is easy to remove. Don't forget to leave on the recesses the color, is very important. For the mouth I apply a red wash, is a oil color. And apply the same color in a random part of the miniature for the scar, and on the random part on the tail. I remove the extra color with a Q-tips. I leave to dry the model overnight, and the next day, when the model is dry, I gently debrush with a light color. Blue color is a good choice for the coat. When it is almost dry, I highlight the upper part of the coat. I paint the armor in red color. This effect is very easy. when you apply a silver tone, and when it's dry you apply a red tone. It's very easy. For the color I apply rust effect, a mix of orange color and brown color over the silver plate. After it's dry, only on the edge I apply a silver. For the skin I apply a oil color. The color is magenta. Don't forget to dilute it with a turpentine. When it's dry I remove the extra color with a Q-tip. Next day, when it's dry, I apply over the model a mix of sticky grime and some of turpentine. Don't worry about this result, because when it's dry you just remove with a Q-tips. After it's dry, I apply a ultra matte varnish in all the model, because when you try to paint after you apply sticky grime, the color just transfer in the brush. To resolve this problem, you just try to apply ultra matte varnish over the model, just dry, and after start to repaint in another step your model. In this case I highlight some part of the miniature. This is an easy effect to simulate the Weirdstone. Just apply a white color, easily, gently and dry brush white color. After it's dry, you gently dry brush with a green, light green in some part. And after, when it's dry, you just wash with a green tone. It's very easy. When the green wash is dry, just reapply the fluor color, because you want to simulate the OSL effect in your model. This is the end of this video. I hope that you like. Please like, comment and subscribe on Camera Wargaming. And thank you so much for joining on Discord server and send a beautiful message on Instagram and another social. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye.